Hi, in this series of videos, I'll be taking you through the math section of the new SAT paper. So, in this video, I will be giving you an overview of the paper. So, the SAT paper comprises of 4 sections. The first 2 sections are of English and the section 3 and section 4 comprises of the maths portion. The math section can be sorted into 3 main categories. The first one is known as the heart of algebra. Next comes the passport to advanced maths, and the third you have problem solving and data analysis. There is one more category known as additional topic in maths. So basically, out of the 3 main categories, 90% of the questions are asked, whereas in the additional topics you get around 10% of the questions. So let's quickly go through what you need to know in these categories. So let's begin with the heart of algebra. So you need to have the knowledge of solving the linear equations and inequalities, interpreting the linear functions in form of word problems, linear inequalities and equations in the form of word problems, how to graph linear equations and solving the system of linear equations, and linear inequalities and their word problem. So in the next category, that is passport to advanced maths, you need to know how to solve quadratic equations and their geometrical interpretation, how to interpret the nonlinear expressions, the word problems based on quadratic and exponential, radicals and rational expressions, what do you mean by polynomial and how it can be interpreted, what is meant by function, the basics of function and transformation of functions. In the next category, that is problem solving and data analysis, you need to know rates, ratio proportion, percentages, you need to have the knowledge of units, scatter plots, linear and exponential growth, data inferences, center, spread and shape of distribution, and data collection and making conclusion out of the data. So let's look at the category of additional topics. So it comprises of 10% of questions on an average. So you need to know the concepts of area, volume and perimeter that comes under mensuration. You need to know triangles and properties of triangles, congruency and similarity principle, trigonometry, circle theorems, circle equations and complex numbers. So in the next video, I will be giving you an overview of number of questions that you get from each of these categories on an average. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for new updates. Thanks for joining.